Ever wondered how to create a lead generation chatbot in less than 30 minutes? Well, let's dive into the world of AI and lead generation. Imagine a tool working tirelessly around the clock, engaging visitors, nurturing relationships, qualifying prospects, and converting them into sales. That's the magic of a lead generation chatbot. In this video, we'll guide you through the creation of your own chatbot using a no-code platform. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create your own lead generation chatbot. Exciting, isn't it? So, what's this no-code platform we're talking about? Well, let's dive in. At its core, the no-code chatbot platform is an ingenious tool that lets you design and launch your very own generative AI large language model framework. And the best part? No coding is required. This platform stands alone, meaning it's not dependent on third-party providers like OpenAI, Google Bard, or Bing AI. The chatbot platform is smart. It scans your website, help center, or any other designated resource to provide quick and accurate AI-generated answers to customer queries. It's like having a tireless, highly efficient customer service rep working for you round the clock. But that's not all. This platform is data-driven. It uses the wealth of information available to it to make intelligent decisions. But don't worry, you're not handing over the reins completely. You're still in control. You drive the data, and the AI does the rest. With this platform, you're in control. You drive the data, and the AI does the rest. Now, let's dive into creating your chatbot. The first step is defining the bot's purpose. Are you aiming for lead generation, customer support, or perhaps sales conversion? Once you've nailed down the purpose, it's time to set up your AI. With the no-code platform, you don't need to worry about coding or third-party dependencies. The platform will do the heavy lifting for you. Now let's move on to designing the conversation flow. This is where you map out the bot's responses to various user inputs. Think of it like a tree, with branches representing different paths the conversation can take. Make sure to cover all possible queries related to your bot's purpose. Next, we train the bot. This is where your website or other resources come in. The platform scans these resources to generate accurate responses to customer questions. Remember, the more data you provide, the smarter your bot becomes. After training, it's time to test the bot and make necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with its performance, you can integrate it into your website or any other platform you prefer. And there you have it, your own lead generation chatbot, ready in less than 30 minutes. Impressive, isn't it? But seeing is believing. Imagine the possibilities of crafting your own AI-powered chatbot. It's time to experience the power of no-code platform in your hands. Check out the link in the description and start creating your own chatbot. We can't wait to see what you'll create.